Hi, this is Mihnea from An Upgraded Lifestyle. In this video, I will do several acoustic treatment tests in my home studio in Bangkok. I will gradually add carpets in front of me, under this seat, and acoustic foam on the left, right and back. Let's try. So, this is test number 0. There is nothing on the floor. The floor is bare. I just have tiles, bookcase on my right, bookcase at the back, and an empty wall on my left. End of test. Test number 1. I have now added a carpet in front of my chair. Hopefully the sound will get better and better as I continue adding carpets and foam all around me. End of test. Test 2. I have added a second carpet under this armchair. You can actually see it in the video. Hopefully now there is no sound reflection, wave reflection coming from the floor. End of test 2. Test 3. I have added 2 large acoustic foams on my right. They are egg crate plates, and hopefully the sound is going to get better and better. I will now add foams behind me, and obviously I'm keeping the 2 carpets under the chair. End of test 3. This is test 4. I have added 2 huge egg crate acoustic foams behind me. I still have this on my right and 2 carpets. Hopefully the sound is improving. End of test 4. This is test 5. I have also added 1 acoustic foam on my left. So I am now surrounded by 5 pieces of egg crate acoustic foams. I also have 2 carpets on the floor. I hope the sound has gotten better. End of test 5. This is test number 6. Acoustic foam treatment for my YouTube studio in Bangkok is completed. I have turned off the aircon and I have also unplugged the fridge. Hopefully the sound has gotten much better. End of test 6.